Hieha Apple CarPlay review. So, let's go to the setup and compatibility. The installation is very quick. You just plug the adapter into your car's USB port, pair your iPhone via the Bluetooth, and CarPlay launches wirelessly. It works with most factory CarPlay enabled vehicles. So let's go to the performance. The wireless connection is stable in most cases, with only slight lag when launching apps or using Siri. Streaming music and navigation runs smoothly in this device. So the pros of this product is that it's very affordable at $39. It's easy to set up, no special tools needed, and then you can keep your phone free from cables because it's wireless. The cons are it occasionally delays when switching between apps, and it may drain phone battery slightly faster compared to wired CarPlay. So for final verdict, for $39, Hieha delivers impressive wireless CarPlay convenience without breaking the bank or your budget. So if you're looking for an entry-level wireless solution, this is a great pick. It also comes with a rear view camera, which is very worth it. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.